Hi, this is Joy. I am going on a one-day road trip to the biggest supercharger in the US right now. This is actually the second largest supercharger in the world behind the one in Shanghai. And this is not Kettleman City in California that used to be one of the largest superchargers. So Kettleman City has, I believe, 40 stalls, and not all of them are V3s. They've upgraded like a whole row to V3, but the rest of them, they're still regular superchargers. But this one that I'm going to has 56 supposedly all V3 superchargers, and it's at a place called Firebaugh. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. But I'm going up there because it is the first year anniversary of the Tesla Owner Club of San Joaquin Valley. And the club president I've known for a couple of years now. His name is Joe. He has been such a kind person to me, and it's just one of those Tesla friendships I've formed over the years. So I'm actually going to drive up there and surprise him. He does not know that I'm coming. And I thought I'd take this opportunity to share with you guys this new 56 stall supercharger in Firebaugh. So let's go. I am on my way actually first to Kettleman City because I cannot drive to Firebaugh in one charge. Firebaugh is another 60 miles north of Kettleman City. So I will be arriving Kettleman City, I believe, with 15% right now of battery left. And FYI, I am driving up with Zach, Black Model 3 on Twitter. He is in front of me. He is driving his Model Y, and we've been kind of chatting through text messaging here in the car, which is really cool. Unfortunately, his car, this Model Y, does not have FSD, so we're just gonna use the regular autopilot lane keeping. So we're not gonna use navigate on autopilot, which is fine because there's not much of navigating to do, just one straight shot on the freeway. So we will see you in Kettleman City in a little over 2 hours. Okay, Zach and I had to do a quick stop because there was like a rock that hit his car, like right here. I don't know if you can see. So it's not very deep. It's not too deep, thankfully. But you already have a crack. Ooh, that is a big crack. That's a bigger crack. It's so cold. It's 37 degrees. We're not used to this. Oh my goodness. We're back on the road. Well, we've got a change of plans because it was pretty cold when we were driving through the Grapevine along the 5 freeway, which is going up to the mountains and coming back down. Both of our cars are losing a lot of battery capacity. So it started telling us to keep driving below 80 miles per hour in order to reach Kettleman City. And then it became 75 miles. So we decided to go charge up for maybe 3 to 5 minutes at Willow Supercharger, which is on the way. By the way, there are many superchargers along the stretch of highway or freeway, so it's not a concern if you are running low on battery. You can always tap on the map and find out what are their closest superchargers and just navigate over there. But this is the very first time that my car has driven through pretty cold or super cold in LA standard, and also going up the mountains, and I'm seeing that my car is losing a lot more range than normal. because normally from LA to Kettleman City, I could just drive in one shot without having to do a stop in between. But not today, and it's fine because we're on a road trip. So we are still 15 miles away from the Willow Supercharger, and I noticed that the preconditioning battery for fast charging indication came on 18 miles out. So the car BMS, the battery management system, is already calculating the battery temperature so that when we reach the Willow Supercharger, the battery will be warm enough to take in the higher speed and reduce our charging time. So we'll see you at the next pit stop. We just arrived at the Willow Supercharger. We're just gonna charge it for a little bit before we head to Kettleman City for a longer charge. And Zach is so annoyed that his beautiful black Model Y is ruined by a little rain and some bugs and rock chips. Can I sit in your Model Y? I have not been a Model Y yet. This is the first time I am sitting in a Model Y. So, Willow, this place is where you guys come and race, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
10 minutes up the road.
Okay.
So we charge in between every session.
That is so cool.
Not this guy. I take the 3. I don't take the Y.
Yeah. But this is my first time in a Y. I have not been in a Y until now. This feels like a 3, but
it's the same
higher.
car.
Yeah. But it feels higher.
The back seat is where you notice it.
The back seat?
Yeah.
All right, let me go to the back seat.
It's much bigger in the back.
Oh yeah. Yeah. But I don't know, the seat is a little bit more upright, I
you
think.
can recline it.
Okay. That's why. There we go. This is more comfortable. I like the Y. But no, I'm not getting it. Haha. All right. We're gonna take a little break and hit the road again. See ya. Okay, pit stop at Kettleman City. So Zach and I are gonna charge. I'm actually gonna eat some lunch because I brought lunch. And this whole row is the V3 back here. And then the rest of them, they're all 150 kilowatt. Or actually, wait a minute, they've upgraded this row too. This whole row, actually no, only this one is 250, the first one, and the rest of them are 150. So you can see it by the sign up here. So that's how you look for the V3 Supercharger. And let me go to the lounge. Actually, I need to find out the code and I'll be back. We are arriving at Firebaugh Supercharger with 56 stalls. And we're gonna see who is already here or not here. But yeah, these are all V3, so super awesome. There's Joe, the president of the San Joaquin Valley Tesla Owners Club, along with Tony Pham, the inventor of the Quick Bandit quick mount front Tesla license plate mount. So I'm gonna go talk to them, and let me plug in for a little bit. This is gonna be fun. All right, here's Joe. Surprise!
Hey! Oh my God, I did not know you were recording.
I wanted to surprise you. No, and you're on camera, by the way.
Hey!
Hi, this is Joe. This is the Tesla Owners Club San Joaquin Valley president.
Yes.
And today is you're celebrating your 1 year club anniversary.
We are this many.
Yay! Happy birthday! Happy
Thank
anniversary!
you.
Sorry, I forgot my math. I need to go grab it. But
No, you're fine.
I wanted to surprise you
That's
because
so
you've been
amazing.
so kind to me and been such a great friend.
You are awesome.
So I decided to come up, and then Zach yesterday pinged me, and he's like, "You want to go to this?" I'm like, "I'm already going." So we just drove up together.
Awesome.
Tony knew. I told him not to say.
Yeah, he didn't say anything.
Yes. So
I'm under NDA, okay?
yes, he's
He
under
had an
NDA.
NDA.
So yeah.
Well, thank you so much.
Since I got you on camera, could
Yes.
you tell us a little bit why you decided to start this club?
So I decided to start this club because I was always traveling a great distance to join the East Bay or the Silicon Valley Club, and I talked with the guys, and they were like, you know what, you should make a club in your area. And so I approached Tesla about it in the Owners Club program, and they were like, yes, you should do that. We need somebody out there, so here we go.
Fantastic. And do you know how many members you have now?
Yeah, currently we are approaching 300 members in just a year. It's insane. It was like really fast. Yeah.
Amazing.
I'm really happy about it. We
Yes.
have some really good things brewing too.
Ooh, can't wait. Maybe I'll come up and do another surprise trip.
If you could, that would be awesome.
Well, thank you, Joe.
Thank you
Let me
so
go
much.
put my mask on so
Yeah.
I don't freak people out.
No, you're not gonna freak anybody out.
This is Firebaugh, the biggest supercharger in America right now. 58 stalls, all V3. And we're having a meetup right now. People are starting to show up. There's the banner. They're putting up a banner over there. They have McDonald's there, a Taco Bell, and a little market. Not fancy dining options, but if you have to charge here for a pit stop, definitely you have some options for food. So here it is, Tesla owners, San Joaquin Valley, their first year anniversary, and they're gonna have some raffles going on. Just
So the prizes can go.
fun day, and a great time to meet other owners. If you are not involved or plugged in at your local Tesla clubs, highly recommend that you do, because you'll meet wonderful, friendly people. And especially for new owners, if you have questions, you can come and ask questions, and people are very willing to help you out and show you how to operate and use and care for your car. This is the Quick Bandit. If you don't want to use the stock stick-on front license plate frame, get one at thequickbandit.com. So
Yeah, here, so just lift it up.
this is how you,
And it comes right off.
wow. And then you put it back on and it stays.
Yes, it stays.
It doesn't fly off.
There's some. There's been some owners that take it to Button Willow, the
Yeah.
track, and you know Oliver, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So he took it on the track, and he said he forgot to take it off, and he was going at, I don't know, 120, 130 miles an hour. No problem.
It's fine.
Yeah, it's fine.
So this thing going on a racetrack at 120, 130 miles per hour would not budge. And is it like a release thing that you pull under?
Yeah. So this one actually it doesn't clamp onto the grill
Oh.
like my previous design and a lot of designs out there.
Yeah.
So it actually grabs onto the top and bottom section.
I see.
So you can see the way that it grabs on.
Oh, that's
lever
how it
action.
works.
Yeah.
Okay. Very cool.
So it's just a one lever action.
Yeah.
It's CNC machined. It's not 3D printed.
Yeah.
And I design it myself. I make it. I machine it, and I ship it myself too. So check it out.
Fantastic.
Yep.
Thank you for the demo, Tony.
Oh, you're
And again, if you want a nice looking front license plate frame, get the Quick Bandit. Guess who's here? My twin car. Well, this is a better looking twin car.
I had to park next to the other
Of
silver.
course. This is a better looking twin car.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you finally.
Yeah,
Can I get
yeah,
a quick
yes,
hug? Little
absolutely.
hug. You're on camera. So this is Mark Benton. He's very active in the Tesla community on Twitter, and also he has a YouTube channel. I followed you on your trip from moving from LA to
Oh, yeah.
Tennessee,
Yep.
and
Yep.
then you moved back.
Yep. Yep.
And you
I'm back.
bought several Teslas and sold several.
Yeah, 4 Model 3s, a Model X, and now we have a Model Y. So we have a
Wow.
Model Y and we have the Model 3.
And the Model 3. So
Yep.
let me check out your Model 3 because
Okay.
this is the no longer available color, the silver metallic, just like mine. But he's done,
Windy out here.
it's very windy. So check out this cool rims and chrome delete, of course.
Yeah, so this is like the, it's like charcoal, like a
Wow,
gray
this
color.
is beautiful.
Yeah. And then these are silver metallic, so the handles
Oh,
are
that's right. That's right. So
same color.
yeah.
Yes.
Where did you get this? I want to.
Test Pros.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'm probably gonna get that too.
Yeah, yeah. So they're really good.
Yeah.
And then
Oh, and then you wrap the dash.
yeah, the dash and the center console.
Yep. All right, I'm gonna come in here.
Go ahead.
Very nice.
Can't get here soon enough.
Very nice.
I'm thinking about it.
Yeah, so I've been conversing with Mark on Twitter for a while, and finally got to meet him in person here. Oh, he also added the spoiler. I think this was from RPM Tesla. So this from the RPM Tesla, right?
Yep.
Yeah. And then also
yep.
the badge.
So the badge is, these are actually stickers, so you can buy, you know, the ones that stick out
Yeah.
from Abstract Ocean.
Yes.
That's what I've got on the Model Y.
Yes.
But these, I wanted something a little bit different.
Right.
So I went with the sticker because it's the same color as this.
Yes.
Yeah.
You have really good taste when it comes to
Thank you.
customizing cars.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I'm just waiting on my black plate. It was supposed to be to me like 3 weeks ago. I
Oh,
ordered
it takes
like,
a while. It took
ordered
me
it
11
forever.
weeks to get mine.
I ordered it a long
So,
time ago.
yeah.
But yeah, whatever. It gets here when it gets here.
Right.
So yeah,
Cool. It's so nice to finally meet you.
I know,
It's
it's
been
crazy.
so long.
talked a long time.
Great. Check this out. Hi. This is
Hello.
Mark, aka Codingmart.
Yes.
I have also been conversing with him on Twitter and recently in Clubhouse. Actually,
Yeah.
I just chatted with him like yesterday.
And now we're finally in person.
Now we're finally meeting for the first time in person.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah. So good to meet you finally. See, you gotta come to Tesla meetups. You'll get to meet a bunch of people in person.
Tesla under San Joaquin.
San
Valley.
Joaquin Valley. Yep. Thank you, Mark.
Thanks for driving all the way.
Yeah, no problem. My pleasure. The meetup is over. Zach and I are back at Kettleman City Supercharger charging up so we can drive all the way back to LA. It was so much fun meeting up with other Tesla owners, especially those that I have been interacting online on Twitter, or we've spoken on Clubhouse app, and now we finally get to meet in person. So once again, it is a benefit for you as a Tesla owner to get involved with your local Tesla club. If you go to Tesla's website, there's a directory. You can contact the people listed on that directory, the official Tesla Owners Club. These are all volunteers donating their time, forming these clubs, organizing events, and helping out owners and building this community. So congratulations, Tesla Owners Club, San Joaquin Valley. Happy anniversary. Thank you, Joe and your team, for your hard work forming this club. And I can't wait to see you guys again. And I hope that your membership will continue to grow and more people will join the club and get plugged in. Thank you so very much for coming along with me. I will see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, and God bless you.